Hey guys, welcome to Dynaman 109. We've got the PS5 Slim here. I'm going to do unboxing, so enjoy the show and yeah, let's go. Upside down. Oh, just got it a little bit cold. Now, I'm going to give it a shot here. So, see what it's like. Get a little knife. It's not that, you know. Light shot knife. Yep, got the power plug. Got the remote. No, what remote? Stack here the same. Exactly the same. Well, it's nice to have a fresh remote, you know. Nice power cable. Everyone gets that. They're nickel stands, yeah, they're nickel stands. But I've ordered a proper stand. I'll have a proper stand of it. They look alright. Charger, cable. HDMI cable. And basically, generally the control is in there. Can be a pain in the ass. There's that goes. Grab that next second, guys. Well, the rest of it is just books. Let's move this box. I haven't seen it yet. Here it is. That's my elbow. There we go. Bloody hell, it's quite small, isn't it? I know I'm not supposed to be doing this, but so that's that. Bloody hell, it's quite small, isn't it? Quite smart. Well, people say it looks slim, but it looks more faded, to be honest. Slim, but not much. I don't think I like it though. To be honest, I like it like that. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Compared to my other one. I don't need that now. I'll make can you tell the difference? I know that's not the best lighting for you guys, but so much smaller. Yeah, but that might be a better shot. I like that. So much slimmer. Definitely so much slimmer. I'm going to show you close up anyway. So it's got basically two small USB-C Type C. Got some back USB. an HDMI e-ink cable. You can see it. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'm going to end it there. Can't get like that, but the stand will be there soon. Anyway guys, subscribe, give it a like. It's the PS5 Slim. I will do more unboxing videos when I get more things like this, or other things, not just PlayStation stuff. The Portal will come unboxing that before one day. And many more, I like the headphones, I might get them. There'll be more, and I might do like gaming games and discs and stuff like that. Anyway guys, I'll see you in next time. Peace.